Danger. When handling hot chilies, be aware that the spicy oil could remain on your fingers for days. It will burn sensitive parts of your skin on your body. In order to avoid it, let me show you how to handle hot chili peppers. The easiest way will be to wear latex gloves, or if you don't have gloves handy at home, I'm sure you do have some vegetable oil. Place a small amount of oil on your finger. When you're done, wash your hand thoroughly with soap and hot water, and most of the heat will go away. Is that easy?